Hey guys, how's it going? It's Johnny over here, finally exposing myself even though no one was asking for it. Well, first of all, thank you very much for clicking that video, for checking out my channel. Really appreciate your support. So guys, how are we gonna proceed forward with the content on this YouTube channel? Mainly there will be two topics. First topic is automotive content. Since as I have as a car enthusiast access to some cool cars, I want to share that with you guys. Starting with simple walk-arounds of cars and revving, speeding, whatever, going up to POV driving videos. And the second topic, as you guys maybe have seen in the past, I'm traveling quite a lot. So this second topic will be all about traveling experience and so on, seeing different places all over the world and sharing that with you guys. So these two topics will be combined on this YouTube channel. And 1 month ago I've been in the US for a couple of weeks, and I created so much content for you guys. Honestly, I filmed so much that I ran out of storage, but still I made the best out of it. I've been crossing 4 states in the US, and actually saw many different landscapes over there that I filmed for you, and saw a bunch of cool cars, have been to different meetups, museums and so on, Cars and Coffee, and filmed so much cool cars for you guys. So there will be a bunch of new content, also full videos, as I said before, POV driving videos with some cool cars. Make sure to follow, guys, to stay tuned, to don't miss any of the cool videos that will come up. And yeah, also let me know below in the comments if I should be more present in the videos or not, and maybe you will see me in the next video. So yeah, stay tuned and have a nice one, guys.